Yo friends, doing some cut tests with the CooLook Creator 1 on some 3mm Baltic birch. Yeah, I know, it's advertised as a, oh look, a big 55 watt, we can cut through everything. Why are you using 3mm? Well, because 3mm is very common. And the purpose of this test isn't to see how thick a material we can actually cut, but how well it can cut. Alright, so we did a standard grid test with number of passes to find out, between 50, 30, and 10, what is the fastest single pass speed that it could attain. For the 50 watt, we're looking at 900 millimeters per second. Same for the 30, and then 300 millimeters per second for the 10. Pretty much this is on par with, well, everybody else. 10 watt at 300 single pass is pretty common, whether it's Atom Stack, Xtool, SculptFun, etc. 30 watt is pretty much on par with 20 watt modules from every other maker. And the 50 watt, well, yeah, it's on par with the 40 watt from Xtool. Nothing to really say that this is any better or worse. So the next thing we wanted to look at is I want to see just how fine a detail this machine could cut, because it's very important. A lot of people are like, great, it's faster. Well, if you're making earrings or something finely done, does it really matter how many watts you're putting out if it can't actually do something detailed? So I use pattern, which is pretty fine, and I used it with the Xtool 20, 40, and 10 to see just how well it could move. So here on our 10 watt, we can take a look, and well, most of it is there. So this pattern is 40 millimeters in size. To see just how well it can go, we do have some pretty thin, fragile bits, and there is some question as to whether or not it's all there. If we hop over to the 30, we can definitely see there it's missing some items. And in the 50 watt range, it's worse. There's a lot missing. A lot is just basically charred to nothing. As we start dropping down into the 30, 20, and 10 millimeter size, even at 10 watt output, we're not seeing the ability to do the detail that other manufacturers can handle. So this is definitely not looking to be a machine that you'd even consider if doing fine detail cuts is what you're looking for. Not at all. It's just not going to handle it. It'll burn everything through. So I hope this was helpful for you in understanding just what this machine can and, well, cannot do. So we'll continue testing, and thanks for watching.